Hey, this is the last part to the 3-part series, I guess you could call it, of the new Pokemon Breakthrough Booster Pack openings, I guess. So, yeah, this time we're opening up, I guess, 3 Gold Zoroark Booster Packs. So, yeah, let's see what we can get, and hopefully it's not trash like the last 2 episodes. So, yeah, let's see what we get. Booster Pack. So, Pidgeotto, Lemonade, Hoot, Pikachu, Chespin, Swoobat, Frogadier, Staravia, Breakthrough Chestnut. That's amazing. Gonna sleeve that later. Cresselia has Luria. So yeah, okay, so that pack was pretty cool. See. That's amazing. I just need the other part of that. So yeah. Pack number 2. I almost thought that was like a PA. Nah. It would have been in the very back. That 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And then Noibat, Cubone, Sandshrew, Webleza, Fennekin, Vanillite, Snorlax, Spewpuff, Reverse Hollow Fletchlift, and the Mewtwo EX. Yeah, we got it EX, finally. Now, where's Chris Jericho's highlight reel? Seriously though, that should definitely be on. Yeah, that's the final pack. Let's see what we can get. Top it off with something good, I hope. As you can see, that one was a Fennekin. So, yeah, Fennekin, Magnemite, get that. Ralts, Skidoo, Dedenne. Okay, just making sure. Prinpluff, Haunter, Reverse Hollow Goldeen, and a Meloetta. So, yeah, that does it for the